Today I'm going to talk about the letter A and the sounds that it spells. Or we call those sounds phonemes because they are speech sounds. The letter A, the lowercase, should be written by starting here, going around, up, and then back down again. When you write it, it probably won't have this part, but you will see it that way in print. The letter A, when it's by itself, has three main spellings in the English language. The first one is the A that we hear in the word apple. In order for the A to spell the sound A, it needs to be in what we call a closed syllable. There's one vowel, the A is by itself, and it's followed by one or more consonants, like you see in the word cat or cast. When you see that pattern with one vowel followed by a consonant or more than one consonants, the A is usually going to say A. This is a pretty dependable pattern in English. Another common spelling of A is its long sound, which is its name, A. We see this in the word nation. This is a two-syllable word. This is generally a sound that does occur in words that have more than one syllable. In this case, it's the end of a syllable. So we have nay and then shun. So the A here is at the end of a syllable. So again, there's only one vowel in that syllable, but it is at the end. And so then it's going to say its long sound. We call this an open syllable. Another time that A appears by itself in a single syllable, it often will make the sound In this case, the A is a schwa. This is a lazy sound. It's sort of similar to the sound that we hear in short U that says and there are some distinct patterns of when it makes this sound. You will often find it at the end of a word that has more than one syllable, like the word sofa. So it's part of this second syllable, which is an open syllable, but because that A is coming at the end, it's going to be schwa and it's going to sound like Here is another example, the word against. In this case, the A is a single syllable again, and it's an open syllable, but it's schwad because it's by itself and it's at the beginning. You see this a lot in words like above, against, again, words like this. So if the A comes at the very beginning or at the end, that is a common spelling that it could spell, is the sound in this case, schwa. Hope that's helpful. Now, these are only when A is by itself. Maybe someday I'll also do another video which shows the sounds of A when it's working together with another vowel or another letter.